Hey guys, it's Taylor over here at Westcott Designs. Today we're going to be installing our Molle panel on our 2025 6th Gen 4Runner. In our full kit, it comes with Molle panels with suction cups and our bottle opener pre-installed. And then we have our brackets that mount our Molle panels to the roof rack. And then we have our Westcott Design badges that replace our bottle opener since we already have one on our Molle panels. We have extra hardware that goes in the front of our bracket to attach our Molle panels. Next, we'll be going over what tools you'll need to install these Molle panels. A ratchet of some sort, an 11mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, a 3/16 Allen, and a number 4 Allen. So before we start installing, we're going to need a rag to put underneath the roof rack to protect the vehicle. So the first thing we're going to do is take off our last 3 crossbars on our roof rack, including our bracket. And we recommend holding the crossbar as you unscrew it so that you don't hit your roof. Now that we have removed the original badge, we can now set off to the side for safekeepings. Next up, we're going to be installing our bracket under our roof rack using the same bolts that we just took out. When installing your Westcott Designs badge, you have the option to either install your crossbar horizontal or vertical. So now that we have all of our bolts in place, we can now go in and align our badge to our liking. Next step is we're going to tighten up all the rest of our crossbar bolts and leave our bracket bolt loose. So the next step is to remove all of the bolts that are on our bracket to our Molle panel. When installing your Molle panels, make sure to remove the covers to your suction cups before installing. On our Molle panel, there are 3 holes. They're the same 3 holes on the bracket that you're going to line up and install your bolts. Lastly, now that all of our bolts are tight, we are now going to grab the Molle panel and push it up against the window. And we're going to press this red button until the light goes away. Well, this completes on how to install our Westcott Designs Molle panel on a 6th Gen 4Runner. If you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.